Hello everyone, today I'm going to be looking at one of the most popular toy vacuum cleaners, certainly the most popular in the UK. I think Henry is the most popular, closely followed by Henry's pink counterpart, Hetty. So this is the Hetty vacuum cleaner by Casdon, and this is the very latest model based on the newest design of Hetty vacuum. Okay, let's open the box and have a look inside. Here we go. Out comes Hetty. And we've got a little instruction book. Now, there should be a little knob that fits in there, and I'm hoping it's inside. Let's open. Ah, there we are. Inside Hetty, you'll find a little knob wrapped in tissue, and that needs to go in this hole, so it needs to be pushed in firmly. I'll pop Hetty's hat down and push it in. It's going to be a little bit tricky. There we are. So now we can wind up Hetty's pretend mains cable. So inside Hetty we've got all the tools, and they store inside all the time, so it makes it for easier storage. This is the latest design of floor head, based on the newest design that you get with the real thing. It's got a roller at the back, and there's the suction inlet in the middle. It moves up and down, it also swivels, and you've also got a little parking slot, so you can park it on Hetty when you're pausing your cleaning. Two clear wands, so you can see the dirt being sucked up. The curved handle. A crevice tool for the nooks and crannies. This piece just connects the extension wands together. Then you've got this new dusting brush. And of course the hose, which again is new. It seems a lot stronger, and it fits in a similar way to the real thing. You actually screw the hose in to fit it in place rather than just have a push fit. So that's a great improvement. And of course that's the inside of Hetty. And it is printed. It's very hard to see with the lights, but you can see printing, embossed printing on the base of this to show you where to put all the cleaning tools. But because I'm going to demonstrate Hetty, we don't need to put anything inside. We do need though to put Hetty's hat back on. But first, actually, before we do that, Hetty needs some batteries inside her so she'll work, and the batteries are located in this compartment on the underside of Hetty. To gain access to the battery compartment, we need a small crosshead or Phillips screwdriver to remove the cover, and then Hetty takes 4 C-sized batteries. So in go the batteries, making sure they go the correct way. There we go. That's all 4 batteries, and then we need to pop the cover back on and tighten up the screw. Okay, now that we've got the batteries fitted, we can put Hetty's hat back on. And if you look around the back, a slightly new design. We've got a little cutout there, and that has to go over this part, so you can't put Hetty's hat on the wrong way. It has to go this way around. So you just locate it there, and then you push the 2 clips either side to secure her hat in place, just like the real thing. So also just like the real thing, you can see we've got the carry handle built in that folds down. We've got 2 pretend buttons because the new on-off switch on this Hetty and on the Henry is now this push button on the side. Another new feature, we've now got onboard tool storage for the crevice tool and the dusting brush, and this is the parking slot as well, which we can actually put the main carpet and floor nozzle into there, but we can connect the hose and tubes as well, so you can just pause your cleaning by popping it in there again, just like the real thing. Now when we want to empty Hetty of all the dirt, there's a little container here at the back. To open the container, we simply move that little catch upwards and pull the container out, and this is what holds all the play dirt. And to empty it, that little door opens and you can tip the dirt out, close the door, and then slide the container back in and then close the catch. Before I can demonstrate Hetty, we need to fix her hose to her nose here. So it's a screw fit, just like the real thing now. So you just locate it on and screw it in place. That's a nice tight fit. And then just move Hetty out of the way while I fit the curved handle. And that is a bayonet fitting, so you have to locate these there's two little lugs that stick out, and we just locate those in, and then a gentle twist, and that locks the handle into position. Then we can put one of the clear extension wands into the handle. Again, it's a push and a slight turn, you don't turn it too much. And this middle piece connects this upper wand with the lower wand. Again, they all fit on the same. Just locate the lugs, give it a slight twist, and they're locked in position. And finally, we put on the carpet nozzle with the same push and twist action. Hetty is now ready to be switched on, but of course first we need to pull out Hetty's cable. Like that, and then we can use the pretend suction plug and plug that in to a suitable place. Hetty is only designed to pick up very lightweight dirt such as small pieces of paper or polystyrene balls. A lot of toy vacuum cleaners come with a little packet of polystyrene balls, but I found this on Amazon. It's in a reusable tub with a pouring lip, and I find it ideal for using with toy vacuum cleaners. Obviously there are tiny little balls inside here, so they are a choking hazard, so these are only usable with adult supervision. Don't let your child play with these on their own. And because it's only a small capacity, we're not going to put too much down. We'll put a little pile down there for Hetty to eat. And before I test the main carpet and floor nozzle, we'll just see how much suction power we can get through Hetty's wand. So I've just got one wand attached. I'll see if I can remove the pile of polystyrene beads. Well, Hetty gobbled all those up with ease, and we can reveal inside Hetty's compartment all the beads I've just sucked up, and we can empty them out again. But this time we'll see how Hetty copes using her main carpet and floor nozzle. Spread out the dirt a bit, give it another tap. It's almost empty. Close the door, and then we can slide in the container and try pick all this dirt up. Oh dear, we've got the static problem I seem to be getting with a lot of these toy vacuum cleaners. A lot of the polystyrene beads are stuck to the nozzle. Some haven't been sucked up yet either. Let's turn it on, see if we can remove those that are trapped in the nozzle. Look. Oh well, soon gobbled all those up, but we've still got the problem, we've still got some more mess. Just going to take the extension tubes off, pick up the rest, just using the end of the hose. I'm going to test Hetty on a different carpet now using the same polystyrene beads I sucked up earlier. Well, that's the end of my video on this Hetty vacuum cleaner by Casdon. If you want to buy one, I'll put a link below this video, and of course I'll put a link for Henry as well. Henry is just the same as Hetty, same tools, same functions, but of course he's in the famous Henry red colour and doesn't have Hetty's lovely eyelashes. So thanks for watching. If you've liked this video, please thumb it up, and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Bye for now.